Welcome, listener. You've stumbled upon the Unexpected Podcast. Whether you're meant to be here or not, you might want to prepare yourself for a world of stories you won't hear anywhere else. They are, after all, quite unexpected.
Birds! For centuries they've pecked, clawed, and dive-bombed their way into the darkest corners of human history. These winged beasts are unstoppable killing machines who have ended the lives of millions of friends, families, and lovers. A comet may have wiped out the dinosaurs, but birds survived. And some say they remember. In our next story, we find out what happens when one man gets in touch with his inner bird. What atrocities will he unleash? There's only one way to find out. Prepare to take flight as we answer the unknown with He Was a Real Bird Brain.
Beautiful morning out.
Sure is.
Not too hot yet, at least. You see the warblers?
Come again?
The warblers. Saw a yellow-rumped one flitting around here earlier. Thought I saw a Nashville warbler, too. At least, I'm pretty sure I did. Definitely wasn't a Tennessee warbler, I can tell you that much.
Okay.
Have a good one.
All right.
Actually, could I ask you something?
Huh? Oh, sure.
Are you doing anything later today? You know what? Nothing. Never mind. Sorry. I was just...
Yeah, sorry,
It's okay. It's okay. I don't know why. I just thought... Yeah, you know what? Never mind, actually.
You just thought what?
Nothing. It's nothing. Sorry. Just pretend I...
No, tell me. You just thought what?
I just thought maybe you'd I don't know, want to hang out or something, go bird watching in the morning, maybe get a coffee or ice cream once it gets too hot to be outside.
And why would you think that? Just because I'm out here by myself, I'm looking for companionship? I need to be around someone? I'm so lonely, so sad. Please, come save me, Mr. Knight in Shining Armor. Huh? Is that it?
No, not that at all. I didn't...
No, I wasn't. I didn't. I'm sorry. I just thought...
What?
You know what? Just do the world a favor and stop. Okay?
Wow. I was not expecting that reaction. Sure, I've been rejected before. Plenty of times, actually. But that was something else. Huh. Must be this heat that's starting to set in. Well, hello there, black-capped chickadee. At least you'll hang out with me. You too, yellow-bellied sapsucker. I just love being out here with you birds. Especially in the morning, before it gets so unbearably hot during the summertime. You know what? I wish I was one of you birds, just for a day. Birds never get rejected for being themselves. Maybe, just maybe, if we could switch bodies, you could see what I have to go through, and you'll learn that, well, maybe being a bird isn't so bad after all. Well, guess I'll go home now. Maybe draw the shades, lay down in bed, put on my bird sounds app, and just, well, softly fall to sleep. Well, here I am at home now. Man, what a long, hot day. Oh, hi there, my little chickadees. It must almost be your bedtime, isn't it? What did you all do today? Let me guess. Probably flew around a bit, ate some bird food, had a few laughs with your friends, and weren't turned down by a woman. Again. Nothing else to do but unlock my front door and... Huh? What was that? That bird, it's sitting directly on top of my house. If I didn't know any better, I'd say it's looking right at me. What is that? Oh, gee whiz. I've been studying birds my entire life, and I don't think I recognize that one. Is that a belted kingfisher? No, they're further south. Oh, maybe a Bonaparte gull? No, it can't be. It's too early in the season. Oh, maybe an African shrike flycatcher? No, not even the right continent. It's just so strange. It's almost mesmerizing. I've never seen anything like it. I don't even know how to describe this unique and unsettling bird. Yikes! Oh, you scared me, Mr. Bird. Well, even though you're a little frightening, I still wish I could be you for one day, rather than be myself. That's my only wish I have, in fact. That I could be a bird, and you could be me. If only. Hey, come back! Oh, ain't that just the way? Exactly like my love life. They all just fly away. Well, time for bed. That's strange. I fell asleep in a bed, not a tree. How did I get up here? And... oh, wait, just a second. I'm naked and covered in feathers. That can only mean one thing. I must be a bird. And if I'm a bird, that must mean I can fly? Well, I guess there's only one way to find out. I'll just fly down to the ground here. Oh, I did it! This is amazing! This is everything I've ever wanted in life! I'm free! Free as a bird! Oh, look! Some more birds over there next to the pond. Must be eating some seeds. That'll give me a chance to look into the water here, see what type of bird I am. I'm sorry, I don't quite understand you, Mrs. Oriole. It's probably because I'm a beautiful sparrow, according to my reflection. I'm sorry, ma'am. I just can't figure out what you're trying to say. I'm sort of new to this whole bird thing. You'll just have to be patient with me. Ow! Wait, why are you attacking me? Ouch! Hey, cut it out! Am I near your nest or something? Ouch! Hey, come on! Baltimore Orioles don't even nest in this part of the state. Wow. It seems, no matter what, I just can't seem to make friends, whether I'm a human or a bird. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe birds do just have it as bad as I do. Hey! That crow just pooped on me! Yuck! Wait a second. If I'm not mistaken, and I don't think I am, now that I'm a bird, I think it's laughing at me as well.
And with that, our report for Mrs. Donegal is complete. Not so difficult after all, huh?
Wow, Shelley, you're so good at making reports. I wish you could make all of my reports from Mrs. Donegal.
Well, with as much as I love making reports, I may just take you up on that.
By the way, did you see Wayne this morning? He was acting quite strange.
But is that any different for Wayne?
Actually, yeah. Quite a bit different. Normally, he's just kind of awkward and will ask people to hang out with him even though we've rejected him numerous times. But now he's like not even saying anything. Just staring awkwardly and looking confused and kind of like, I don't know, cocking his head around weirdly with his eyes all bugged out.
If I'm not mistaken, it almost sounds to me like you're describing a bird.
Yeah, you know what? That does sound like a bird. It's almost as if...
You two hear what just happened?
What? No, I don't think so. We were just sitting here making reports. What's going on, Telly?
Mrs. Donegal just got attacked by Wayne.
What do you mean attacked?
Yeah, he just totally went off on her. She asked him where his report was, I guess, and he just launched himself at her, knocked her over, and just started pecking the crap out of her face, neck, and chest.
Well, I'm sorry, but what do you mean by pecking?
I don't even really know. I guess, kind of like a bird?
Holy cow! Kelly and I were just talking about how Wayne was acting like a bird earlier this morning.
I mean, we all know how obsessed he is with bird watching and won't stop talking about it. Anytime one of us bothers to give him any attention at all, he just goes on about things like scarlet tanagers, sandhill cranes, trumpeter swans. It never ends with him.
It sounds like all this bird watching has finally gone to his head. You could almost say he's a real...
Bird brain?
Yes, exactly.
The Unexpected Storytelling Podcast will return after a short word from our sponsors.
Oh no, I think we ran out of birdseed. What am I gonna do? Birdseed's so overpriced. You gotta buy a 50-pound bag.
You say you need some birdseed?
Yeah, man, I do.
Are you tired of buying birdseed by 50-pound bags?
Yeah, man, I just said that. You're 4 feet away from me. You heard that.
Well, what if I told you didn't have to buy birdseed by the bag?
I'd say that's pretty radical, man.
That's why at Bob's Birdseed, I sell birdseed by the seed, not by the bag.
So you're saying I can just buy the birdseed individually, just how much I need?
Yes, that's correct.
Oh, rad, man. Well, how much birdseed could I get for 40 cents?
8 seeds?
All right, sold.
Bob's Birdseed. Why buy by the bag when you can buy by the seed?
We now return you to your tale here on the Unexpected Podcast.
Whew. Outside of the free air conditioning on certain hot days like this one, I never thought I'd be so glad to be at my office building. But if there's just one place in town where birds never go, it's here. After all, these office structures are just another example of how the human race keeps eradicating important native bird habitats in the name of corporate... What the? Those police cars are pulling up right outside the office. I better fly up to the roof of the building and see what's going on.
Do not take another step. I repeat, do not take another step. If you move, we will not hesitate to shoot you with our guns. We don't want a repeat of what you just did to poor Mrs. Donegal.
Wow, this is intense! Nothing like this ever happens when I'm at work. I wonder who they're...
We also have you in the sights of our trained snipers.
Whoa! How did those snipers get up here so fast? I better move over here. Probably get a better angle on everything anyway.
I mean it. If you so much as lift a hand or even blink, we will shoot you, Wayne.
Whoa! That's me! I better fly down to the chief of police to let him know what's going on. Chief! Chief! Tell your officers to put their guns down. That's... Well, how should I put this? That's me! I mean, I'm them! That's my body and I'm stuck in this bird!
Get away from me, bird! Damn it! Get away! Did I throw up a piece of my sandwich in my shirt pocket or something? Shoot!
All right, you asked for it.
Yow! What? Did you just peck at me, bird? Knock it off! Can't you see I'm in the middle of something here? It's too bleeping hot today for this kind of a nuisance. Hey, that guy's moving! Not only that, but he seems to be flapping his arms and moving his head around in a jerking manner. Alright, we warned you, Wayne! Fire away! Looks like he's a goner, everyone. Good work. One more psychopath off the streets. Let's get out of the way and let the coroner do his job. Chocolate malts on me! And by me, I mean the city taxpayers.
No! Wayne, I mean me! I can't believe they killed you. Or me. How could they have understood that we swapped bodies all because I mentioned in passing while in a weak and vulnerable state that I wish I was a bird? I've learned my lesson now. I don't want to be a bird anymore. I want to be human. I want to live again. But now it appears that it's too late. I'm getting what I asked for. I will have to live out the rest of my life as a bird. Because my body, well, it's been shot with looks to be about 147 bullets. I wish I would have known how good... I wish I would have known how good I had it as a human being. Because, oh, let's face it, being a bird really sucks. Wow. I just woke up and why am I in so much pain? And why is it so dark and cold in here? Normally on a hot day I'd welcome that, but I'm starting to feel rather unsettled about all this. Huh? I just used my hands to examine my own body and, well, it seems I'm a human again. But my body, it's so cold. And there's holes everywhere. About 147 to be exact. Wait. No, this can't be. Am I back in my own body again? But then that means I'm inside the morgue. They think I'm dead. No! Help! Help! Let me out of here!
You hear something?
Huh? All that? Yeah, we've been having problems with the birds getting in the cabinets where we store the cadavers. Best to just ignore it. Otherwise, you let them things out and they could peck out your eyeballs.
Yeah, birds can be real psychopaths at times. How did it even get in there in the first place?
Huh? What? You act like birds got brains or something.
Bird brains.
No! No! Help! Help! Let me out! Let me out of here! Let me out! No! No! I'm still alive! Let me out of here! Please! Please, you gotta help! Let me out! Let me out! Please! Help me!
Well, I've heard of killing 2 birds with 1 stone, but I've never heard of 1 bird causing a man to get shot 147 times. Poor Wayne, you could say things went a bit foul for him. He probably wishes he had kept his bird watching hobby to himself, because now he has a new one, collecting worms from his casket. Oh well, the summer of scares is reaching its final squawk, but don't cool down quite yet. We've got 1 more scorching tale that will leave you begging for a cold spell. But for now, we leave you with some words of wisdom. A bird in the hand will still rip your eyes out. Oh. Oh, I never liked birds. They're quite loud. Oh, the people that own them, they're the worst.